Come test drive 2006 Camry Solara. The Toyota Camry Solara is the two-door coupe version of the standard Camry. This is a vehicle for people wanting the comfort and convenience of a sedan while retaining the young sporty feel of a two-door coupe. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, daytime running lights, fog lights, leather upholstery, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.